Hello everyone. So here we are starting a new series called Quick Revision Series. So purpose of this series is to provide you with a video which will be under 10 minutes, and this will be purely for the purpose of quick revision. So today is 19th. We are starting with today. So this video is about inaugural launch, and we'll discuss about some details about this series. Moving ahead, so this video will be under 10 minutes. So each video will be under 10 minutes, mostly in English, and we will be covering the whole syllabus of paper 1 and paper 2, but mind it, I will be taking those keywords and sub keywords in there, and this video will cover to the point and crisp topic of the syllabus, and we will be randomly choosing those topic for this video. So there's a disclaimer over here, is this is only for the revision purpose, mind it. So I would say please do not take this as a syllabus completion point of view. Don't take it. We will covering a theory, case studies, current affairs and diagram for this video, and surely to get your feedback there will be a Google form in the descriptions. You can always go over there and give us some feedback so that we can work upon them in the next video. Moving ahead, so there's another important thing about identity as per the policy on of this channel. So there's a no identity reveal thing. So obviously I can't reveal my identity, but the purpose of mine is to help you here to get the quick revision of syllabus. And also for me, I enjoy learning and discussing anthropology. That's only I would say about me. Moving ahead, so there's a dedicated Telegram channel of our YouTube channel, so you can always go there and just join this channel. So this will be only source where you can get all the updates, regular updates of this channel. So please do join over there. Okay, so I'm at the last of this video, so let's get started, and I will be starting with the first video of this series. Stay tuned. Thank you.